and I'm just trying to go for like maybe 14, just so that when we get measured, I'm really at 15. Hey, welcome. I'm gonna make a quick salad. Okay, so here's the deal. A lot of people, actually I shouldn't say a lot, like 3 people have asked me over the last probably week and a half, like, hey, what the heck is going on with you, with your body? And here's the deal. I've got a competition with some friends at work to try to get to 15% body fat or less before we meet, which is in 4 weeks. So I've been doing this ever since like January, basically just eating well and avoiding binge eating. And I do that, I mentioned in another video, I do that by not eating while I'm watching something. That's a huge blind spot for me. So just gonna make a salad with some spinach and some iceberg lettuce, and I'll probably add some olives, some nuts. I might cut up an apple in here for a little sweetness. It's gonna be great, and I'm gonna eat this whole thing. The other thing I wanted to mention while we're here is Cisco Live is coming up in June, second week I think of June, for 2019. It's in San Diego. I'm going to be speaking with Jason Gooley on Thursday of that week at 1 p.m. on MPLS. So I'm looking forward to that. So if you're at Cisco Live, look me up. I'd love to say hi to you, get a photo with you perhaps, and put it on social media, or just say hi if you don't want a picture. Either way is great. So let's see, I wanted to make a salad, check. Talk about my weight, check. By the way, I'm at 15% right now, and I'm just trying to go for like maybe 14, just so that when we get measured, I'm really at 15. So explaining that, Cisco Live, and that's it. Also, I have coming up, I've got some reviews. I just bought the Amplify Wi-Fi system, the mesh Wi-Fi network, and also Google Wi-Fi right here. And I'm gonna do an unboxing of those. And my goal, should I choose to accept it, is to spend less than 5 minutes from soup to dessert, from the unboxing to the actual implementation, and make a nice, really short, tight video. So if you're considering either of these two fairly current mesh Wi-Fi network solutions for your home to get rid of those dead spots, those will make it really efficient for you to make that decision. Also, I just purchased a couple DOCSIS 3.1 cable modems. Now, what's so special about 3.1? Well, it can support that whole new Gigablast thing as far as throughput. Now, I don't need gigabit at my home, and there's other bottlenecks as well, but I thought, let me test it out. So I'll do an unboxing of that as well, and testing it out with gigabit internet, and give you some comparisons on cable modems as well. All right, hey, well, thanks for watching, and wish me luck on staying at 15% or lower. Between now and June, I think I'm on track. I'm just very, very committed to meeting that goal, and looking forward to seeing them. So anyway, have a great, great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video.